Hi, I'm Will Corrigan, Director of Emerging Alliances at Veeam, joined today by Adrian Moyer, Senior Product Manager and Technology Strategist with Quest Software. Adrian, thanks for being here.
Great to be here, Will.
Fantastic to have you, and first and foremost, thank you for being a sponsor of VeeamON.
It's our absolute pleasure.
Excellent, excellent. So, QoreStor has a new version that's recently out, 7.2. Anything you want to tell me about that?
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. It's now supporting the direct-to-object backups from Veeam. So that allows people now to get that immutability in their backup data sets, which is a great thing to have these days. And then on top of that, we'll then deduplicate the data, compress it, and encrypt it as well. So it's about as safe as you can get.
That's fantastic. You and I were talking earlier a little bit about object storage and the ubiquitousness that is essentially in the industry for running backups nowadays. But we also talked a little bit more about enabling a data strategy for our partners and our customers. Anything you want to say on that?
Yeah, absolutely. And QoreStor fits in well with that kind of strategy play where people want to have more than one copy of their backup data. So QoreStor allows an optimized replication. But also what's becoming really popular now is people want to leverage cloud storage for longevity of data, for compliance or governance reasons. So QoreStor has an automated cloud tiering mechanism. And that allows us to actually take the data that's already deduplicated, already compressed, already encrypted, and then move it out to cloud. And that, of course, then being a lot smaller than it would be, it helps to save people's egress costs and storage costs as well. So moving the data around in an optimal way is a next big step for people to meet that kind of off-site requirement.
Yeah, and truly in the nature of being software defined too, it's freedom of architecture as well.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's one of the key points that we like to offer our customers choice, and being software defined in that way means they can run it on any hardware that they like. So if they have a particular vendor that they have a strategy with, that's fine. Server storage, or even run it in a virtualization infrastructure too. So just like Veeam, we take that approach of offering our end users choice.
Yeah, that's fantastic. From a security standpoint, with regards to ransomware, where is that playing?
With Quest at this point, with that solution now with the object locking, it's pretty firm and pretty solid. And some of the previous technologies that have been used in the past were like NFS and SMB as a protocols to move data. We actually have an immutable recycle bin as well inside QoreStor for those that still wish to use that. So that's kind of cool.
For recall purposes?
Yeah, absolutely. So if backup data is deleted either maliciously or inadvertently, always those little errors, the human error, right? If you delete it, we'll capture those and then we'll store it in an immutable recycle bin. And the only thing you can do with the data is restore it back again. So it can't be changed once it's in there. It can't be manipulated. Yeah. So for those kind of more open protocols, we actually have like a little catch to stop the things that could go wrong.
What about from a partner ecosystem? I know that you guys work with partners as well as MSPs, and as does Veeam, so that's a match made in heaven.
It is indeed. We're channel-centric, so we'll meet in the channel with partners, and as you say, MSPs as well. So for Veeam partners, it makes a great combination for them to actually have a storage engine that's software-defined, so they themselves can actually offer extra services around how it's deployed. And then alongside with the Veeam technology as well, the two kind of merge together really nicely to deliver a really good uplifted solution.
Wow, that's fantastic. Anything on the horizon with relation to our partnership in the next 6 to 12 months that you're looking forward to?
Well, funny you should say that actually. Just today, it's a week late, but just today we achieved the Object Immutability Ready badge for our technology. It actually came through this afternoon. So that for us is a great validation of our technology and our partnership with Veeam.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for your continued support and your partnership. Appreciate you being here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.